Well, hello everybody. This is Reagan, your RV traveler's voice, coming to you this morning, sitting here in Fred, our 2019 Ram 1500, and just on the way back up to check on Ethel, our Wildwood 29 V-Bud camper. It is sitting at storage. I took it back there a couple of days ago after taking it to get its annual preventive maintenance checkup in preparation for us heading out relatively soon on an extended journey across country. And I just realized this morning when I woke up that I forgot to disconnect the battery. So I'm sure Ethel is dead, but we're gonna go out and check on it and at least turn it off so it doesn't further drain it. But I'm sure the battery's dead, and we'll get it recharged. But something I don't recommend you do is run your battery completely dead. Ours is a lead acid battery anyway, and so just not a good idea to run it completely dead. But we'll see where it stands. Stay tuned. Well, here we are back at Ethel, and this is the moment of truth, but I'm sure we'll find that Ethel is dead. All for me forgetting one little step in my normal procedure. And you know how when you do things often, and as I've been doing for about the last 5 years, bringing Ethel out here, dropping her off at storage, and have established a routine. Well, this last time I did that routine, not so routine. I kind of got out of sequence thinking I was being a little more efficient. And when you change things up in your normal sequence of events, then have to learn the hard way. Sometimes we forget a step. And I forgot the step of turning off the battery or switching the battery disconnect to the off position and removing the key. And there's the culprit. As you can see, it is still in the on position. And even though I know the answer, we're gonna do one quick check. Test our battery here just with this little control panel indicator. And there we go, battery 0 lights. And I can kind of tell it when I open it up because I always leave the refrigerator doors open and you can hear it running when the battery is powered up. I'll leave them open just so it doesn't collect moisture. And there's no light in there at all, no light on, and the refrigerator is not running, definitely. Well, I hooked Fred up to Ethel just to check and make sure I could still get some juice through it for the tongue jack, and that all still works. So this little learning experience just has given me another to do before we head out on our trip, is to charge everything up, see if the battery still holds a charge, or we'll be replacing the battery soon, because it's just not really good to let these lead acid batteries discharge all the way and leave them discharged. So we'll see what happens, but overall not too big of a deal if the battery is salvageable, and even if it isn't, it's a battery swap out for us. So just take this as a PSA for you all. Whenever you change your routine, stop, go back through all the steps one by one and make sure you haven't missed something. This is Reagan, your RV traveler's voice. See you down the road. Happy camping.